Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Ensure your OS installation uses UEFI and the system disk is GPT. Once done, reboot and press delete to enter the Aorus Z390 BIOS. Make sure you have a USB with installer or key files available and write down current SATA and CSM settings before changing anything. You'll also want your BIOS password handy if set. This prevents accidental lockouts and gives you a restore point if settings need to be reverted. Next, go to Peripherals and Boot menus and disable Compatibility Support module. This removes legacy drivers that conflict with Secure Boot. Then set boot mode to UEFI only and disable legacy ROMs so firmware requires signed loaders. Now open the Secure Boot submenu, choose Windows UEFI as the OS type, and confirm the platform state changes. Make sure to save changes and reboot into firmware when prompted. This ensures the firmware accepts platform keys and signed bootloaders rather than unsigned legacy code. Finally, enroll Secure Boot keys. In the Secure Boot menu, clear old keys only if you understand risks, then install default platform keys, PK, KEK, and DB, so the firmware trusts signed OS loaders. Save and exit BIOS. Let the system boot and verify Windows reports Secure Boot enabled. If the OS fails to boot, enter BIOS, restore your saved profile, or revert CSM and legacy settings. Then troubleshoot unsigned drivers or rerun key enrollment. One key tip: keep a BIOS backup/profile to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.